Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact context of error 0 so you know what to fix. Is it an installer, a driver, or a script? Next, collect logs and the last 5 commands you ran, plus related config files, because these traces show the failure pattern. Once done, make a full backup or restore point to protect your system. This lets you revert if a change makes things worse. Make sure to note recent updates or hardware changes that preceded the error. You reproduce error 0 in a controlled environment or safe mode to avoid side effects and observe the exact failure message. Then isolate variables by disabling extensions, swapping hardware, or reverting the most recent update until the error disappears. That points to the culprit. Once identified, apply targeted fixes such as correcting file permissions, reinstalling the faulty package, or updating the specific driver. Make sure to rerun the original operation and capture fresh logs to confirm the error no longer appears. You finalize by verifying system stability with stress tests and repeating the workflows that triggered error 0. This confirms the fix under normal load. Then document every change you made and store a rollback plan so you can respond quickly if it returns. If problems persist, try a key troubleshooting step. Clear application and system caches, run disk health checks, and reapply the fix. Sometimes stale caches or corrupted sectors cause error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.